All right, y'all. So while I had the kit out, I decided to go ahead and do a quick unboxing video since it was already open on this 25th anniversary Corvette. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, so therefore I'm not going to just open up the packages, but I am going to give you guys a look, see at what's in the kit, what's in the box. Um, so we have these factory wheels here, and some side pipes and the grill, and uh, these are valve covers here. Man, my sinus is killing me right now. Okay. All right. So we have a front and rear window here. So I can tell by the bag this thing is old. The bags don't even have the same feel as the bags we have now coming in kits. But this is molded in gray styrene. Everything on it is gray. There's that body. And of course you cut the tops off, so it's giving you the T-tops on it, if you will. There's your gas tank molded in, your tail lights and license plate said vet was already molded in there. I love these body styles. And another thing I liked about these cars too, there's your door handle. That's how you open the door. You gotta push your hand down, push it down in order for the door to open up. My cousin had one of these. It was gray and blue, I think. And man, she sent me to the car. She was like, "Hey, go." Well, I think it was my uncle. He bought it for her, but some kind of way I ended up having to go to the car and try to get something out. And I stood there almost 10 minutes trying to figure out how to open the door. And they was like, "What's taking you so long?" I'm like, "I'm trying to figure out how to open the door." But there's a door handle right there. You just push it down, push your hand up in there, and it comes and it opens up. And we have a Corvette. We have the badge here molded in, side vents, and we have our flip up headlights right here, but they're not going to flip up on this car. I'm surprised that well, no, this is the MPC, so Revell probably would have had it to where the lights flip up on it if it was on Revell kit, but um, yeah. So for the interior, excuse me, man, I'm having a hard time this morning. So the interior was just got the console built in it. There's the seats, the front seats. Look, it's gonna be a nice little kit to build whenever I decide to build it. Let's see if I can find it. If I want to find another one, so I don't have to, so I can have one for my stash to add to the vintage collection. There's the front bumper. It has what on it? Oh, it's got vet on it too for the front bumper. And the steering wheel. Let's see if we can take a peek at the dash. Oh no, that's a firewall. All right, so yeah, let's go to the next part. Like I said, this video was gonna be quick. There's a decal sheet, simple decal sheet. Rear stripe, left front stripes, just stripes, hood stripes, front stripes. Nothing fancy about this decal sheet. Here's the tires, which is when I build this kit, it's gonna have white metal tires on it, but there's the tires. these jokers, man. If you hit somebody on one of these, you gonna hurt them. It's like a little rock. They're heavy too. Man, this box even smells old. There's the tail lights. Got a little paint on my hand. And there's an instruction, simple instruction. Man, if y'all can smell how this paper smells, man, it's just got that old paper smell. I don't know if y'all know how old paper smell, but that's what it smells like. Yeah, this kit gonna be a simple kit to build too. Oh, so it did. So it's got two different. It's got two different sets of wheels to come to it. I saw that. So it's got the stock wheels and it's got the custom wheels. And the custom wheels are, let's see, those are your custom wheels right there. These here. I can't see why in the hell would somebody want those wheels on their car, but they custom wheels. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap it up for today and try to enjoy this Christmas Day / my birthday. So, and then it's kind of feeling like I kind of feel like I'm gonna be feeling a little bit under the weather right now. So I don't know, but I'm gonna try to get through the day. All right, y'all be easy. See you next time.